Who did Patrick's homework? Written by Carol Moore. Here in the starting itself, the author asks some question. Do you like homework? Do you do it yourself? Or do you get help? What homework do you usually have? So coming to the lesson, Patrick never did homework. So now author is starting here by saying that Patrick never did his homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. He used to play hockey, basketball, Nintendo means a video game. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn anything. So now the teacher said that you have to do your homework, otherwise you will not learn anything. And it's true, sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. Ignoramus means an ignorant person who lacks education. But what could he do? He hated homework. So he hated homework. Then one day he found his cat playing with a doll, little doll, and he grabbed it away. So what happened one day? He saw his cat playing with a little doll. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. So, to his surprise, it wasn't a doll, it was something else. So, now he was thinking what it was, and it was a small thing which the cat was playing with. You can see here in the photo itself. But it was something else, and it was a tiny size man. So he's saying that it was a tiny size man. He had a little wool shirt with old fashioned breeches and a high tall hat, much like witches. So now he describes this particular person. He says that it was a tiniest man, and he had a little wool shirt with old fashioned breeches. Breeches means a short trouser. He yelled, Save me! Don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish. I promise you that. So now what he said, this little man said that, don't give me to that particular cat. I will grant you a wish, and please save me. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. So now Patrick thought he was very lucky to have this particular tiny man. Here was the answer to all of his problem. So he said. So he said that it is this solution he is getting by this man because he want to give him a wish. He can only solve my problem. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that's 35 days. So it was about 35 days. He told that you have to do my homework for this semester. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. So if you do my homework, I will get A's. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth. Dishcloth means a cloth used for washing dishes. Thrown in the hamper. Hamper, a basket with a lid. He kicked his leg and doubled his fist, and he grimaced and scowled and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. So now Griman scowled. The expression he showed in his face, anger and disgust he showed in his face, that he had fallen in another curse because of doing a homework was not an easy work, and he had to do something which he had never done before, and it was a big problem for him to think of doing a homework which he had never done. So this was what the little man thinking when Patrick asked him to do the homework. And now it was a big task for him, and he had never thought about it in his life to face such a situation. And true to his words, the little elf began to do Patrick's homework. So now Patrick started to ask this elf to do the homework, and elf started to do the Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. Glitch means a fault in the machine that prevented it from working properly. So what was that glitch? the elf didn't always know what to do. So he didn't know what to do, and he wanted help. He used to ask, help me, he said. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. So Patrick would have to help in the whatever way the elf used to ask. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked. Squeak means he said, while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. Now he asked for a dictionary. No. What's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So now he's having difficulty in just pronouncing it, and he don't know the things. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need it. So now he said that shriek means gave a short, high pitched cry because it was a new thing for him, and he was confused and about something about mathematics he never have done. And he asked what is timetable, and he said that we elves never need such type of things in our life, and it is a new thing to us, and I'm really don't understand what to do. And addition and subtraction, division and fraction, so these are some of the new things the elf said he had to do, he had never done. And here sit down beside me. So now he asked him to sit down to help him. You simply must guide me. So he said that you have to guide me, else know nothing of human history, and to them it's a mystery. So human history they never knew, so everything was a mystery for them. So the little elves already shouter just got louder. So now he started his shout to be louder. Go to the library. I need books more and more, and you can help me read them. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. So he just asked him to go to the library, bring more books, and he used to nag him. And Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drag. So it was a big problem for him. So nag means one who troubles someone all the time, complaining and asking them to do something. Drag means something dull and uninteresting. So he was staying up night, and he never felt so weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. Blurry means it was completely blurred. And finally, the last day of the school arrived, and the elf was free to go. Now, after the last day, he was free to go as homework. There was no more, and so he quietly and slyly means secretly, slipped out of the back door, and Patrick got his A. So after doing so much of hard work, because he had done a lot of hard work with that of the elf, and he got A's. And his classmates were amazed, and his teacher's smiles were full of praise, and his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. So they couldn't understand what had happened. He had got A, and his classmates were amazed, and his parents were wondering, and the teacher smiled. And he was now the model kid. Now he was a model kid, cleaned his room, did his chores, was cheerful, never rude. He was not rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he did made this that tiny man do all his homework. But I will share a secret just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. So now what happened? It was Patrick at the last moment. Also, he thought that Patrick had this made this tiny elf to do the homework, but the secret was that actually this elf made this Patrick to do this hard work, and he had made this particular boy to study nicely, and line by line he had gone through the text and made everything to thorough about it, and that made him to read and study the lesson properly. And he was the one who did the homework, not the elf. And that was one thing the elf taught this particular Patrick. And the laziness of the Patrick was being removed because of this elf who asked for help of the Patrick, and that made him to completely be perfect in whatever he had to do. And But still, what happened? This Patrick thought that this work was done by Elf, not him. That's the end of the lesson. Thank you.